Welcome to another episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth, and I am here to bring you your daily dose of affordable and modern interior design inspiration. Whether you are in the heart of New York City, the suburbs of Westchester, or anywhere in New Jersey, Connecticut, or Washington, D.C., we have got you covered. Today's episode is all about maximizing small spaces, and we have some ingenious tips inspired by seriously tiny rooms. Moving into a new place like a college dorm can be both exciting and overwhelming. You have new classes, new friends, and of course, a new room to decorate. If you are looking to make your dorm room feel more like home and a true reflection of your personality, you are in the right place. Here are 13 decor tips, hacks, and secrets inspired by the real rooms of dorm therapy contributors and other college students. First up, consider a color palette. You should absolutely do you in your dorm, and if that means including all the colors of the rainbow, go for it. But if you are looking to streamline your design choices or struggling to choose between decor items, picking a color palette is a great place to start. For inspiration, check out Haley Coringe's dorm at Fordham University. She decorated her space with light pink, white, and gold accents, giving it a cozy pink princess vibe. Next, DIY a fancy headboard. A headboard can really upgrade a dorm bed, and you do not have to spend a lot to get the look. Angie Arias, the current apartment therapy media audience growth intern, made one using 5 pool noodles from Five Below. Yes, pool noodles. She broke down the project, and it is both simple and budget-friendly. Another great idea is to display an unexpected gallery wall. Take this classic decor style to the next level by swapping out posters and photos for something else meaningful to you. Sue Tashin, the 2023 Dorm Therapy TikTok contest winner, created a gallery wall using a collection of street signs and car plates from all over the world. It is unique and tells a story about her travels and interests. Throw pillows can add a lot of fun to your space. They are an easy and often budget-friendly way to infuse a standard dorm room with your personality. Check out the flower and star-shaped throw pillows Amara Lopez used in her single dorm room. They add a playful touch and make the bed look inviting. Spotlight your clothes on a clothing rack. When you hang your favorite outfits on a clothing rack, it doubles as decor. Nabiha Ahmad has her clothing rack front and center in her bedroom, holding all her go-to pieces. It is often the first thing she sees in the morning, and it helps her express her fashionable personality. Turn your accessories into decor. In her University of Vermont dorm, Katie O'Driscoll had the ingenious idea to hang hats as part of a gallery wall. This creates storage and decor in one. You could also do this with glasses, jewelry, or shoes. The possibilities are endless. Mirrors can fake a bigger room. Dorm rooms are small, and mirrors always make rooms feel bigger. Use them strategically, like Sophia Andrade did in her dorm room. It is a simple trick that makes a big difference. Buy a rolling cart. Seriously, you can use it for storage, to display decor, as a nightstand, and for pretty much anything else. Look at Isabel Petrot's dorm room for inspiration. She uses the IKEA Roskagi cart, and it is both functional and stylish. Roll out some peel and stick wallpaper. If your dorm allows it, peel and stick wallpaper is a game changer. Marianne Reese used it in her Christopher Newport University dorm, and she says it adds so much to such a small space. It helps warm up the room and makes it feel more inviting. Introduce some greenery. Plants, whether real or faux, make a room feel fresher, happier, and more inviting. Nija Harris's junior year dorm tour is a great example. She hung dripping greenery in her space, giving it a preppy, boho chic vibe. Cover cinder blocks with a full wall of curtains. Benedetto Rebecca's junior year dorm room had cinder block walls and linoleum floors, which he wanted to soften. His solution was a curtain wall. The curtains totally changed the energy in his room and added the softness he was longing for. Hang twinkly lights. If you are not a fan of the big light but love sparkles and ambiance, twinkly lights are a game changer. They come in many shapes and colors, and you can put them up wherever and however you choose. Angie Arias molded hers around a daisy decal in her dorm room, and it looks so cute. Finally, go for a storage ottoman. A multifunctional textured ottoman means more storage, more space for guests to sit, and a pretty burst of decor. Megan Belisai's blush seat in her Ithaca college dorm has subtle glam vibes and is a perfect example of this. All right, let us tackle that cluttered bathroom of yours. If you are struggling to keep your bathroom organized, you are not alone. Bathrooms can be tricky spaces to keep tidy, especially when they lack adequate storage. But fear not, we have got 4 fantastic organizers that will instantly fix your cluttered bathroom, and they start at just $1. First up, let us talk about the Simplehuman Tension Shower Caddy. This caddy is a game changer for shower storage. It is designed to stay secure and take up minimal space while holding all your shower essentials with its adjustable shelves. Priced at $120, it might seem like a splurge, but trust me, you will have zero regrets. It is durable, functional, and worth every penny. Next, we have the Umbra Tesora Jewelry Stand, priced at $40. This jewelry organizer is not only practical, but also doubles as a chic decor piece. It has 3 posts of varying heights to accommodate different types of jewelry, from watches to statement necklaces. Plus, it has extra storage at the bottom. Our executive lifestyle director, Charlie Penn, is a big fan and says it blends beautifully into any decor. Now, for all the makeup lovers out there, the Sorbus 360 rotating makeup organizer is a must-have. Priced at $29.99, down from $37.99, this clear acrylic organizer has compartments, partitions, and adjustable shelves so you can customize it to fit all your makeup and skincare products. Our shopping director, Jada Wong, swears by it and says it has truly lived up to its name by corralling all her beauty essentials into one neat, rotating unit. Last but not least, let us not forget about the space above your toilet. The Umbra Bellwood. Over the toilet shelf is an incredibly modern and functional piece that makes great use of that often overlooked space. Priced at $180, it is easy to assemble and features 3 shelves for ample storage. It is a true space-saving superhero in any bathroom. So there you have it, 4 organizers that will transform your cluttered bathroom into a tidy, functional space. Whether you are looking to upgrade your shower storage, keep your jewelry in check, organize your makeup, or utilize the space above your toilet, these products have got you covered. All right, folks, now it is time for one of my favorite segments, Before and After. Today, we are diving into a transformation that took a crusty storage area and turned it into a luxurious drop spot for just $100. Yes, you heard that right. This amazing makeover is brought to you by DIYer Liz Malm, who tackled this project in her 1911 Craftsman home in Portland, Oregon. Liz and her partner, Jack, recently moved into their charming Craftsman and were faced with a dark, dingy storage area located right off the kitchen. The space was somewhere between a closet and a pantry, but it was far from functional. Liz described it as making her cringe every time she walked by. The area had a curtain hung on a tension rod, holes in the walls, peeling paint, and beat-up wood trim. The rickety wood shelves did not help either, making the space more of an eyesore than a storage solution. Liz did not need the space as a pantry, so she decided to transform it into a chic drop zone inspired by boutique hotel open closets. She envisioned a spot where she could store coats, shoes, and bags, making it both beautiful and practical. The first step was to remove the old shelves and patch up the holes in the walls. She also removed old screws and the peeling paint, then took the time to caulk all the trim and molding to address the gaps caused by the house settling over the years. The wood trim around the closet was in such poor condition that Liz decided to paint it rather than try to restore it. She chose a dark, dramatic navy blue called Midnight Blue by Behr for the trim, walls, and ceiling of the closet area. This color added a bold, cohesive look and tied into other elements of her home, like her front and back doors and kitchen cabinets. After 3 coats of paint, Liz applied peel and stick wallpaper with a vintage-style fan palm print to the back wall of the closet. This added a touch of elegance and visual interest to the space. To make the closet functional, she added 2 hooks from Target that she already had and repurposed a closet bar from an upstairs closet. She trimmed it to size with her jigsaw and mounted it with brackets. The entire project took Liz about 2 weeks of evening work and a few weekend days to complete. The total cost? Just $100. Liz says the effort was well worth it, as the new drop zone feels dramatic and luxurious. And most importantly, it is now a functional storage spot that meets her needs perfectly. That wraps up our before and after segment for today. I hope Liz's transformation has inspired you to tackle that crusty storage area in your own home. Remember, with a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can turn any space into something beautiful and functional. Until next time, keep designing, keep dreaming, and keep making your space your own.